piece patty pero sobrang thick. Whoa. Nano ba kabalin? Welcome to where in Pampanga?
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Fil-Am Friendship Highway, Angeles City to check out tong bagong-bagong barbecue and steakhouse.
Exactly. So this is called YJ Barbecue and Steakhouse. Today is gonna be steak, barbecue, and other Japanese, Korean, and Western dishes. If you wanna know more, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara,
Let's go! Alright, guys. So I wanna start from the outside. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang alfresco. This is actually situated sa 3rd floor ng building na to. And if you're gonna dine here, ito yung feel, no? Meron tayong alfresco. So mga barbecue pala dito are Texas style barbecue. So ayun guys, you can either choose yung alfresco natin or yung air condition. So we're gonna get inside dahil nandito yung pagkain natin. Batch natin guys, ito yung mga food na pin-prepare nila para sa atin. So ito yung mga a la carte, yung mga combo meal style, good for 2 person, good for 4 to 5 person. But if you're gonna dine here like 1 or couple kayo, these are some of the options.
So gusto ko lang i-emphasize dito sa YJ Barbecue and Steakhouse, itong kanilang burger cake. So what we have is, meron tayo dito yung kanilang Texas style barbecue bacon. Meron din siyang available na mga veggies, yung kanilang burger patty. And total weight nito is 5 pounds, imagine that. And yung pinaka-size naman niya, 10 inches in diameter or 30 centimeter. Plus, meron tayong almost 1 kilo dito na french fries. So talagang busog na busog ka dito. Imagine this one. So on this table naman, ito yung tinatawag nilang steak platters. What we have here is meron tayong Aussie T-bone, meron tayong Brazilian ribeye, meron tayong salad, mixed side dishes, and soup. And this is for only 2,699 pesos. Good for 4 to 5 packs. So talagang pang barkada size ito. Okay, so another platter na naman na sinaserve dito ay yung kanilang barbecue platter family, which is ito yung mga Texas style low and slow. What we have here, so meron tayo dito yung kanilang mga USDA spare ribs, USDA barbecue, meron tayong chicken inasal. At the same time, sa mga side dishes nila, meron tayong kanilang yung pulled pork and yung kanilang smoked bacon. Pwede naman i-mix with the buns. So this is for only 2,699 pesos, good for family. Imagine, solve na solve ka na dito.
Alright, so yun nga guys, this is our table. So once again, thank you so much YJ for being such a generous host for this vlog. What we're gonna do is, I think we're gonna go for this side right here, no?
Yung kanilang barbecue platter.
Barbecue platter, exactly. And siguro some of the a la cartes, we're just gonna taste them. But once again, thanks so much for being such a generous host. Keep it up. Alright, so this is it guys, moment of truth. Titikman na natin yung kanilang mga pinagmamalaking slow cook, mga USDA grade meat and Texas style barbecue. So ito yung parang nakita namin, napili namin na titikman natin ngayon. Ito yung kanilang barbecue platter.
Barbecue platter family. Yan. So at the same time, marami na rin siyang kasama.
Yeah.
And like
actually,
this one.
Yeah, brother, no, I can't believe that this one is actually just 2,699.
Yes. Yes. So tikman muna natin siya ng walang sauce. Actually, talagang napakalambot niya.
Ayan, wow. Look at that pinkish meat. Wow. Actually, legit.
Yes.
So, you can just be with us, guys, no? Yung pinaka-meat or yung fiber ng meat, naging individual talaga sila, no?
Ready to buy.
YJ Barbecue and Steakhouse is formerly known as USB Steakhouse. However, they changed it due to, you know, a change of management. However, yung mga improvement natin is what you can see.
Yes,
yung mga
this
platter
one.
natin, mga single. They created yung mga combo meals. At the same time, yun nga, if you're eating on your own or with someone else, meron tayong mga good for two.
Yes,
Ano,
yan.
mga a la carte. Okay.
So at the same time, yung quality naman ng kanilang mga food still remain. Nandun pa rin yung quality nila. Ooh, yun no? Since ito yung magandang ihanda during birthday.
Oh,
Look at that one.
grab one piece, bro, and then show it. Yan, sige.
Ooh.
Look at that. One piece patty, pero sobrang thick. Whoa. Ooh. So parang nasang pizza, bro.
Yes.
Actually, cake. Yeah. Slice of... Oh, look at that.
You know? So, syempre, hindi naman natin hindi natin tinitikman. Wow. So, na. Okay.
What an experience, grabe. If you're looking for this kind of food, make
Yes.
sure to check them out. We're gonna be including yung fan page dun sa caption.
Yes, so kung gusto nyo lang pumunta dito sa YJ Barbecue and Steakhouse, is located lang dito sa may 3rd floor ng Silverling Residences building. And they are open from 5 p.m. until 12 midnight from Monday to Sunday.
Yan, available din po sila sa mga order and delivery app. So make sure to check them out if you're near the vicinity. You know, you wanna enjoy this at the comfort of your place.
Yes.
Go check them out. Available din po sila doon. So yun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends.
That's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.